Okay, example number 13. We have a diagram shown here with 5 different wires. We have current going out of this junction of 2 amps, 3 amps going in here, 6 amps going out, 4 amps going in, and we're looking for what is this unknown current in this fifth pipe, or fifth wire, sorry. All right, let's label these currents just so that you can understand what I'm doing here. I'm going to call this I1, the 2 amp. We'll call this I2, which is 3 amps. We'll call that I3, the 6 amps. We'll call this I4. And then this current unknown is I5. And we know that this is really an application of Kirchhoff's first rule, which is the currents that flow into a junction are equal to the currents that flow out of the junction. Or you could say that the sum of the currents is equal to 0, where currents that go in the junction are positive and currents that lead out are negative. Okay, I'll just use the first way here. It's just really up to you. I look at this picture and I see that I have Y1 is going out, so that is going to be over here. We have I2, it's going in, so that's going to go over here. We have I3 that's going out, so that's going to go over here. And then I4, which is going in, so that's going to go over here. And then I5, I really don't know, but maybe you can kind of deduce that. You see that if we were to put numbers in here, I1 is 2 amps, and I3 is 6 amps going out. So we have a total current of 8 amps going out. And then we have for I2, we have 3 amps, and I4, we have a total current of 4 amps. So we can see that we have 7 amps going in and 8 amps going out. That means that that current 5 must be going in. So it leads us an answer of I5 will be 1 amp, and this would be into junction. This is not the only way to do it. You might find actually, now that you think about it, this might be easier. You just make all the currents that are going in, so you would have 3 amps being positive, you have the 4 amps that are positive, and then all the currents that are going out, which will be I1, which is negative 2 amps, and then we have I3, which is negative 6 amps, and then you have your plus your I unknown, we'll call that I5 equals 0, and then you solve this out, and when you solve it, you'll find that I5 works out to be 1 amp, and because it's positive, that means that that current is flowing into the junction. Okay, and that's it for example number 13.